بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
Assalamu alaikum students, this is your English teacher from F6 Fort Road. In today's tutorial you are going to read some blogs. Blog is just like a personal diary that people share online. In this online journal, you can talk about your daily life or share things you do. Nowadays people communicate any information in a new way. Basically, blog is online journal or informational website. It displays information in sequence with latest posts, and it is basically a platform where you share your views. There are certain types of blog writing, and you will learn in detail later. Now, what you are supposed to do in this lesson, you will open your page number 20 of Learner's Books. You will read the blogs. Here you will find some blogs. You will read them and get to know about different types of books people like to read. After reading, then discuss what you have understood from the text and also discuss the type of stories you like, whether you like comic stories, adventure or fictions, etc. After having comprehensive reading of the given blogs, now what you are supposed to do, you will underline the difficult words and find out their meanings from the dictionary. After this, your written task is to write a short paragraph about your likes and dislikes in reading. Whatever the types of stories you like, give reason of your likeness and dislikeness. For example, you can write, I like comic stories because they make me happy. I like fictions because they tell us about imaginary characters and places. Students, your next task is to read page number 22 of your textbook, means Learner's Book, and write. Here you will find some words, some adjectives. You will write the meanings of the given adjectives on the page. You will do this work on loose sheets. First of all, revise the concept of adjective. You might have studied in your previous class. Adjectives are the words which describe noun. They tell us more information about noun. For example, small, large, square, round, slow, rich, old, etc. etc. On this page, these adjectives are given: intelligent, powerful, wicked, fearless, agile, athletic. For example, if you want to use this word, this adjective wicked, in a sentence, wicked means sinful. You can make sentence that Cinderella had two wicked stepsisters. In this sentence, wicked is describing Cinderella's stepsisters. Now coming to words task 4. In this task, you will read any storybook. You might have read many books. After reading that storybook, you will write a paragraph and must mention this information. You will mention the title, means name of your storybook, whatever the story you have read. Must mention its author's name, who has written this story. Then settings. Settings means the places where actions occurred, all the places which have been mentioned in the story. Then main characters who took part in the story. And lastly, moral of the story. Students, you will write this paragraph using simple past tense. You might have studied about simple past tense. We can make simple past tense by using second form of the verb. For example, the children visited the zoo last week. In this sentence, your verb is visited. You have used second form because first form is visit. And must remember that usually we can make second form by adding ed with regular verbs. But remember, irregular verbs don't take ed. For example, eat, ate, eaten. Students, these are the tasks for week 5. I hope you will easily understand what you are supposed to do. Thank you and take care.